Okay, so I'll start. So Voclip. So nowadays you've seen a lot of AI voiceover content on social media platforms, but the problem here is that profits made from this content, like this type of content, are not attributed back to the original voice actors, especially in Japan. Uh, Not only that, but also voice cloning processes are done without any permission from the original voice actors, and also this type of AI voiceover content are difficult to be monitored by the original voice actors. All of these, all of problems related to this AI voiceover content comes from the fact that there's no voice IP registration systems. So we consider we we think there must be some layer in which anyone can register their voice as an IP asset, and that's why we are building Vocalip. So Vocalip is a fully decentralized platform in which anyone can register their voice as an IP asset on Story. Now, the workflow of how do we register the voice as an IP asset? Well, we'll the user has to pay one IP to our platform whenever they are registering their voice as an IP asset. Then we will take the voice recordings and we'll store it inside the other media URI in the IP asset. Also, we will store the unique ID of the voice clone emitted by 11 Labs API as the NFT metadata. Then eventually we'll mint the IP asset. So the real creation is one feature we added. So how it works? Well, a user will first mint the license token, then a user will pay fee if needed. Then user will create the wheel, and as you can see from the diagram, that wheel will be registered as a derivative IP asset, of which the parent IP asset is, in this case, the voice A that user has used to generate the video or wheel. So here's the demo.
With uploading their voice on our platform. So users can either upload the pre-recordings file or record their voice directly from our interface. This time.
So the next stage of our project is mainly focusing on improving the UX and also adding a lot more plugins. So in terms of the UX, for example, we should show what the appeal terms would look like what the appeal terms would look like on each voice asset. Also, enabling the royalty flow is another one, because we merely focused on building the registration layer, but and on top of our system, we need to have the royalty flow systems, where original voice actors can get the profits made from the video. So yeah, that's the royalty flow. And second point, in terms of the plugin, there should be some, the 11 Labs are not only the technology which allows you to clone your voice. There are other technologies, and we want to enable users to select other technologies to clone the voice. So like giving a lot more options to users, right? So that's the next phase. So let me introduce our team. So me worked on ideation, Nidu worked on front-end side, and Anushka worked on smart contract and back-end side. And thanks for listening. Yep.